Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm playing my classic happy planner. I got a new cover this week, and I also got a new layout. I'm not decorating in this layout, but this is, I think, what it came in. I got two new planners. This one and an undated dashboard. One of them is this one, and one of them is, that's the other cover. But this is just what I use like on the days where I planned a lot or I just feel like overwhelmed by choices, so I know like exactly what step I'm supposed to be doing. I do that layout more, but normally this is the layout that I use, that I made. Yeah, this one I think we're gonna try maybe. Do not like when it sticks down because then I can't unstick it. So I was trying to use the tweezers to like be able to kind of see where I want it, but I dropped it too low. But speaking of tweezers, this I like using, like I said, to kind of like see where I want to put it. What is some of your favorite like planner tools that you guys use? Comment those down below. This one's 3. Fancy. Was not expecting that. Yeah, that was Seasonal Flower sticker book. I like how that one turned out. It's super cute, and yeah, I just like it. Kind of simple, easy. We're doing very like simple, I guess. Looks. Oh, we gotta do Wednesday on the back. Like. Okay, that's the recipe sticker book. It's not bad. You think these are eggs or potatoes, or what do you think those are? Comment down below. Do we have a picture? Like a potato emoji? I don't know. My bad, that sticker. I didn't have it on my finger so long I didn't know which side was the sticky side. But it's okay, we got it. Ooh, I think, where did I see the sand castles? Those would be cute stickers for what I'm thinking. And then I need something for like here area. Okay, I used the summer sticker book there. I really like this one. I'm thinking a lot of these are cute this week. We're just getting lucky or we're getting better. I don't know, but I'm feeling the creative juices flowing. Maybe I'm just a little bit more relaxed. If you see me getting a drink right now, it is not that kind of relaxed. It's just sweet tea, but I took a break before I started the video instead of being stressed out with children. So we were just watching a TV show. Do you guys have any fun ways to relax that's I don't know, not doing the same thing every single time? Let me know. We got lots of questions for you guys today. Ooh, that sticker book was dirty. Okay, that was Flower Sticker Book. And one more. That's not here because it's in September. So, I'll have to print that. And I guess I'll just add it in with next week's plan with me. So if you want to see that, you have to come back. And hopefully I actually get this edited and anybody sees this. Because last week's video is going to be like, I hope I get this edited, and I did not. So it will be posted like the day before I post this one. Because hopefully I edit them at the same time and post them, because I did it now at this point. So this is the ones that we did. We can look around. Oh, I need to hole punch that one again. And this one. Yeah, that's all I got though. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe and notification bell. And comment. And all the things. And hopefully I will see you guys again. Thanks. Bye.